What are the beautiful house plants you can buy in the month of July? So if you're planning to go visit nursery in this month, don't forget to bring these house plants to your home. Today I will be sharing with you some of the house plants, list of house plants that you can buy in the month of July. Monsoons are here and we are getting now and then rains, so it's better you bring these house plants to your garden. So bring these house plants to your house plants collection. Don't forget to bring them, because once you go for a nursery visit in the month of July, these plants can be very helpful in growing in your garden. So when you go to a nursery in the month of July, don't forget to bring some lucky bamboo plants. Lucky bamboo plants are very easy to grow. They belong to the family of Dracaena and they grow from stems. So your nursery visit, in the plant list you must have this lucky bamboo plant. So the next plant you can bring in the month of July is the rubber plant. Rubber plant also one of the beautiful house plants, and also they bring abundance, and this is one of the lucky plants and easy to grow permanent plant. So don't forget to buy a rubber plant too. Next plant is this beautiful umbrella plant. Do not forget to buy an umbrella plant in your nursery visit in the month of July. This is a beautiful foliage plant and also one of the best plants for your entrance. So they decorate your garden. So in the house plants list you must have one umbrella plant too. When talking about the plants list of month of July, don't forget to buy a syngonium plant. This is one of the easy growing plants, and if you're a person who is busy and no time for fertilizing, this is a wonderful plant. So buy one of syngonium plants too. Beautiful aglaonema plants. Since the monsoon is here, you can grow these plants also really very beautifully. So don't forget in your nursery plants list to add one of aglaonema plants. Palm plants also should be in the list of plants to go to a nursery. If you happen to go to a nursery, do not forget one of the Erica palm plants also. These plants are easy growing, and also when you provide them the shade and also the right soil, these are beautiful, wonderful plants for your house plants. Plant, it feels like you must buy one of these as well, because they are golden in color and they are so decorative. Buy one of philodendron plants as well. Add them to your list of July month nursery visit. So don't forget that. Having a ZZ plant also very beneficial to your home. Why? Because this is a lucky plant. It's called the ZZ plant, one of the gem of the plants in Feng Shui also. So have one of these plants also in your July month purchasing list. There should be one variety of decorative coleus as well in your garden. What do you think? Because these plants are so super decorative and colorful. I do love them so much because of their very elegant looking colors. So there are many varieties of coleus, so you can have one or two colea varieties in your July plants purchasing list. Your July month purchasing list will be incomplete without this beautiful and also variegated leafy spider plant. They are air purifier plants, so why not adding one or two spider plants in the bucket of your July month purchasing. So these are beautiful and colorful plants. Also they are decorative and also one of the air purifier plants. Taking one of these plants, money pothos plants, in your plants collection is a must. Either it is rain or shine, you must have this plant in your garden. They are very beneficial of having these air purifier plants, lucky plants, Feng Shui plants. They are beginner gardeners plants too. So having one variety even in your garden of money pothos plants are very beneficial. Very easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent. Have all the varieties with you. Collect all the varieties of this beautiful house plant, money pothos plant. So the next plant I suggest in having in your July month list is the money pothos plant, because they are so attractive, easy to grow, and also look at the elegant look. Once you put them in baskets, in hanging baskets, small planters, DIY planters, these plants are ideal house plants. I have made a small money plant corner here. So I have all the varieties with me. I have enjoy pothos, neon pothos, then also golden pothos with me. So likewise, make your July list so beautiful. So if you happen to go to a nursery in the month of July, do not forget to add 1 or 2 numbers of the plants that I have discussed and suggested in the video. So the monsoons are here, and make use of that and add these plants to your house plants collection. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you do, please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Okay, so up from here, and hope to see you soon with another video. And if you are new, consider subscribing to Tamara's Garden. And also there's a small request: if you do like my videos, stay tuned with me for more upcoming gardening videos. So thanks for watching, friends, and see you soon.